my people, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depend on the place when for they watch me. This morning I don't know wetin I want eat. I first go outside, I say wetin I want go eat. Now I come quickly go buy this thing. Now I carry my pot, put for fire, put water, put salt, put egg for fire. Say my cook back spaghetti. What to do now? I don't already put some my cover and now I don't put my spaghetti. As I put my spaghetti finish, now I say my cover now, yeah. Sofri dey cover and I cover am. After I cover am finish, put my pot for fire, put onions. Sofri dey turn am. Now they turn am for there. They turn am because as I even dey here now hungry dey wire me. Now say wetin happen. I just sofri dey turn am. Now I don put my ingredients put for inside, which is all my tomatoes, everything when I don't blend for blender. Now I sofri turn am put. As I turn am put, now I turn am. I come put my geisha, which is my sardine. Now I put my geisha or my sardine anyhow they call am, whether na sardine or na geisha. Now so if put am, I don't put that one. Now I not come video the time when I can't put my bonga, so I can't put my maggi. The maggi is strong, it hard. Now I say wetin happen now. Now I can't so put my salt. I don't already use salt to boil the spaghetti. I don't want me salt to catch am. So now I so turn am. Now I use that turn and finish. Now I say now I cover and make dry. So after I say don't dry, now I come put my egg now so if it turn as I turn and finish. Now I say now I just they turn and make the egg not scatter because I don't need that. Now I cover now. See the time when I can't open now, I won't put my verdura, which is vegetable. Now I turn my vegetable put without no vegetable for spaghetti. I no go eat. Now I turn my spaghetti. Later I can't later boil pasta put because when I say spaghetti no many. Now I can't later boil pasta put. Small pasta. Now I come sofri they turn everything together. They turn am. I pour everything finish. Now I turn am finish. Now I leave am make it done small. I come add small water, do everything. See the face of the spaghetti, everything. I just be this one. See if you dey hungry and you go cook. You know. So this is the final result. Please help me to share this video.